Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is FemMNY, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful hot air balloon with the bear on it. So this is 260Q, and we will make some beads, and we will put this around the basket of our hot air balloon. Okay, so I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. So about 3 pumps. Okay. And use my paper towel so the powder is gonna be off. Pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. So when you twist this, make sure it's all the same direction. I'm gonna twist it away from me. Pinch and twist, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And then once again, the first and last one, you're gonna twist that together so it won't get undone. Put this on the side and we'll make more. Alright guys, so I'm done with my 260Q copper right here. I made these beads right here. Now we're ready to pump our 260Q silver. So we will put this on our box right here. This is gonna be the basket of our hot air balloon. So we will put this on the side here on the top, and all the beads is gonna be in this. So by the way, the box here is just a regular cardboard that I made, and this is the size right here. So each side the length is 10 inches and the height is 7 inches. Okay, regular cardboard box. Okay, and I covered it with white paper. So, and with that said, we need to put it like about 3 fingers right here. You pinch and then you twist. Okay, and then the tail right here, the nozzle, put it in between. So looking like that. So we're gonna put it right here. So this is gonna be in the corner. So now from here, you pinch and then you hold this here, pinch and twist again. So when you're done, it's gonna be like that on each end. So now the other corner, you pinch this here, twist. So now we need another one here on this side to finish this. So I'll pump another balloon, 260Q. So I will just attach it here. So again, I'm gonna pinch, twist it here to connect them. Right, guys? this extra right here. We'll cut this off. Now tie this with the other balloon. So there goes your balloon. It's not the perfect, but it will fit in here. So to attach this, I will attach this with, we'll put some glue dots right here, okay? Alright guys, so now I'm gonna use balloon glue dots right here. I'm gonna attach that. I'm gonna put it right here so it connects and it's more sturdy. So I put the balloon glue dots right on here, here, and connect it to your cardboard box. So all the way around, okay? Alright, so I got the balloon glue dots right there. So now we will attach our copper beads right here. So the same thing, I'm gonna be using balloon glue dots on here. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna unhook this. And remember, never let go or else it will just gonna unwind. So balloon glue dots right there. I'll put on my first two. So I'll put glue dots on the paper and on the one of the beads. So now guys, it's finally done. I got it there. I mounted them all. And I end up using 7 of these beads. So 2 of them I will just put it on the side. Okay, so this is it guys. This is the basket of our hot air balloon. This time we will attach our this is a balloon yardstick. I got this from Dollar Tree and we're gonna attach this here. So now we're ready to inflate all our balloons here. This would be on the top, okay? So we have 7 different color right here. These are 5 inches round latex balloon, and we also use our 260Q. It doesn't matter what color because it'll be covered anyway. And for the inside balloon, ideally, this is what they use. It's a quick link balloon, but this is too small for my project today. So this is only like, I think 12 or 11 inches quick link balloon. But we don't have the bigger size of this, so I have an alternative. Okay, if you guys don't have this special balloon, you can use a regular balloon. This is 16 inches, okay, because I want it bigger. So this is not a quick link balloon, as you can see. So we will make one. So you use scrap 260Q, just tie them like this. Basically, you want to make a ball. I'm gonna cut this off. See that? I made a ball right there. So you will put this inside your balloon and get it right there. Okay, so once you get a hold of the ball right there, you want to tie it with your 260Q. Right there. Now we will inflate this one. So I want this nice and round. So there's no particular size. I just want it nice and round. There you go. Okay. So now this one right here, connect it here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. Okay. So as I said, if you have this quick link balloon, it's a lot easier. If you connect all your 260Qs here and to the other end. Okay. But as I said, I don't have the right size. I choose to do that one. Okay. It's a lot easier. And if you guys don't have any of this special balloon, that will work. Okay, it's a DIY. We're ready to inflate all this. So basically the smallest balloon that I have, I inflated it 5 inches. They're all 5 inches. I inflated it to 3.5 inches or 8.89 centimeter. This is the smallest that I inflated. So the rest don't have any specific size. But the smallest I use is 3.5 inches. Right, so now they're all inflated. So what we're gonna do is just pair it with any other color. Alright guys, so I got most of them paired up. Some are loose here, so in case I need to fill in some of the gap. So basically, you grab any color and just put it here. That will hold your balloon. So let's continue right here. So just finagle your way here and fill in the gaps. So as you can see the balloons right here. You just have to put some single balloon and just fill in the gaps like that. Okay, like this balloon that you can see, just fill it in like that, or the gaps. There's the basket. So I don't trust this because it might be like sharp, and I don't want the balloon to pop, so I'm gonna put like one of our balloon here. We'll just have to cover those 260Q that is showing, and some holes, we'll patch them. So I'll use balloon glue dots. And then we'll add the bear right here. For the final look, we will add this one right here, and we have a blog on how to make this one. We'll put this here. So guys, this is our hot air balloon. I hope you do like this one. If you do, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and thank you all for watching. And to all our subscribers out there, thank you very much for all your support. So shout out to all of you. We'll see you guys in our next video. All right, thank you.